Karma Yoga, I said two portions are there, proper action and proper bhav or proper attitude. Why is it required? Because sometimes our action is outside very good, but the best bhav is not there. I did lot of donation, I did, but I did not, I sell, see, I gave so much of money there, but I was not recognized properly, Swamiji. When, the function came, another chief guest they brought, although I donated more. Got my point? Action is good, but attitude is not great. Well, I was not called, and some say, well, I was called, but I was not asked to talk. You don't know what problems are there that we face. Some say, Acha, that I did so much, but see, in my institution I did so much, but still, they neglected me. These are all common problems. And therefore, these social organizations become very antisocial. Don't think all that glitters is not gold. Outside appears very good, such a nice, this is there. But inside, garam masala is there. This attitude problem. And second is karma problem. We don't do very high level of action. Action sometimes is not high level of action. So actions are not selfless action. It is for me only. I want my something. Well, Swamiji, I don't want anything. What for acting? I have 2 children, I am acting for them. Acha, every day I will take them to their school, college, fetch them back. This is how I pass my day. I have nothing important in my life. Acha, in Navaratri I go to the temple, and in, on Christmas day I take fast. Acha, you fast on Christmas? Oh. So, and what is it called? On Shivratri I come, that's only thing. That is my only thing. So, sometimes karma is not great. Karma Yoga tries to address these 2 areas. One is, it makes Uttam Karmani and Uttam Bhavana. Please be careful. Acha, what is Uttam means? Highest level of good actions. Good action. What is the meaning of good action? Good actions are that in which others are benefited more than me. I am trying to simplify as much as possible. Because we have the tendency to give joy to ourselves only. Our instinct is there. We all have animal hidden inside. We are although from human being, but there is a dog also inside. Dog is inside. Why? I don't want anybody. I guard my house. Nobody should come inside. And there is a fox also inside. And don't say it's so bad. I'm not a fox. No. I'm not saying there is a fox also inside. Fox, very cunning fox is there. Manipulative fox is there. Oh my God. And there is a donkey also inside. It doesn't understand anything and carries the load unnecessarily. There is a buffalo also inside, sleeping, eating fodder, sleeping only. Acha? Yes. To eliminate these animals and live a life where my doing is such that others are benefited. I am also benefited. Not that I am not lost. Others should be benefited more. That is the area of karma. And where I change my bhavana, that is the area of yoga. Okay. Well, I am making a temple so that others can also come, even if I pass away after 20 years. No, you may pass earlier also. No. I am just saying. So after I pass away, others can benefit from the temple. Swamiji, what is my irony? I am donating this. Uttam bhavana, uttam karma. So they say, scripture say, there are three kinds of karma. Can I go ahead? Uttam karmani, madhyam karmani, and nikrishta or adham karmani. Highest level of action, mediocre action, and lowest kind of action. Acha? So what is highest level of action which has lot of spiritual gain? Medium level of action are there, limited spiritual gain. And adham is there is a spiritual retrogression is there. You don't gain, you lose something. So three levels of actions has been prescribed. Can I go ahead? Well, yes. So uttam karmani, I will go one by one. What is the uttam karmani? That action, paropkar is there, which is called paropkara punya papaya padsevanam. So a tendency should be there, okay, I want from my money, let others benefit. I am a doctor, Swamiji. Many doctors are there in India. They go to those villages where there is no patient. I mean, there is no dispensary. I met such doctor and I said, there is no earning here. You are going there, there is no earning. If you go in some professional good institute, then you will earn, you will have a... And they said, well, Swamiji, 10,000 people are there. There is not a single doctor in that village. I will go there. I said, but they are very poor people. They will hardly pay you. Well, I am not going for that. I want that from my talent of medical knowledge. I think maximum people should get benefited. Well, I will live with a meager leave. I mean, being meager ways, but I will adjust. देखो ये भी joy होता है. There is a joy of doing something for others. Don't think only joy is in eating. There is more joy in feeding than in eating. There is a joy in pressing somebody's feet. है ना? There is a joy in running for others also. So this is called uttam karmani, where in my mind more point is this: is anybody benefiting? Somebody said, I am purchasing car. I said, for what? Only this will be for ashram. If anybody is coming, I will fetch him, I will drop him. This is ashram car. It is in my name, but it will be for ashram car, will be there all the time. I am available, and if I am not there, please send somebody, he should use my car. Somebody said, by this home is there, I am having this home so that you can organize satsang and talk in this home. When you start thinking that whatever God has given me, and everybody God has given something, it should be for others also for me, not that I am negating myself, others also, then this is called higher level of action. Please note, greater is the giving, more is the growing. Greater is the giving, more is the growing. Why? Because this way you get out of your laziness. You get out. Big thing is, when you start giving, you have to get out of your laziness. You cannot do something good unless you sacrifice your ahankar also. Sacrifice your attachment to that. I attach the money, therefore I can give money, right? Getting my point? Supposing I am too attached to the money, I can't donate. Supposing I am too attached to my car, I can't donate. Right? Supposing I am too attached to my house, I can't say use it for satsang. So uttam karmani is that in which my possession, I am sharing that 50%, 60% of my possession is for someone else. Never mind. I earn this much money is there. I don't want everything for me. What? Why is that bhav is there? Why is this bhav is there? Because I have got a lot. What is the incentive for giving is getting. I don't want to be helpless consumer. I want to be contributor. I don't want to be such that I am just taking. I want to give also as much as I can. Sahayagya praja srishtva purovacha prajapati anena prasavishwadvam esva ishta kamaduk es vastu ishta kamaduk. Bhagavan has given this. Acha, all animals are giving or not? Some have tusk, some have horn, some have what is it called, nails, and so many rhinos are killed because of that. South Africa, Once upon a time, lot of rhinos were there. Now they are being poaching has been going on. Elephants, they have been eliminated now. So we are worse than all animals. So this is called paropkar karmani. Acha? So life should not be that I am there and a person thinks, how long he'll be there. Moment you start giving, other person thinks, I think we should not lose this person. In companies also, if somebody resigns and he has been a good person, that company says, where are you going? Well, I am going to that company. He said, how much they are paying? So they will say this much. Well, I'll give you this much. And so they will say, I'll give you this much. You don't go. But supposing somebody is underperformer, so they will say, I think you go. I think. And if you don't go, then I think I'll serve the notice that you are not required. The feeling I'm not required is a very terrible feeling. In the house also this feeling is there in the old people sometimes. Nobody is saying yes now. There is a feeling that my son doesn't require me now. My bahu, my daughter-in-law doesn't require me now. No. I'm not that important for him. ऐसा होता है. I have become a liability. This karma area is such which makes you are badly wanted. And this capacity that I'm wanted is a very joyful feeling. I want you. Where did you go? If a good servant is there, if he goes for one day, my God, phone after phone they call. If other person goes, well, you go, never mind. But that servant is there. Who will wash the dishes? Who will mop? So this karma area is being divided into, paropkar karmani has been divided into 5 areas. Dekho, Hanumanji was there. Can you think Ramji could have asked you go? A person is what he gives. A person is not what his looks are. A person is not what his weight is. A person is not he is slim or he is smart or not. A person is not his body, he is having fat or not. His person is not his eyes are good or not. A person is not whether he can run a lot or not. A person is what he gives selflessly. Okay? Whether it is your wife, whether husband, whether housewife, whether child, there is a giving capacity in all of us. And I tell you one thing. Shall I say? Well, say now you are saying already. If you go in the past, you will think, I could have given more. As a son, as a father, as a mother, as a student. What I gave was lesser. I could have given more. Now in this area, why? We are consuming so many things. We are taking so many things. So now these 5 areas, this is called, giving areas are called yajna. And there are 5 yajna. One is called Brahma yajna, Deva yajna. Second is called Pitru yajna. Third is called Brahma yajna. Fourth is called Manushya yajna. Fifth is called Bhoot yajna. Well, so fast you said, I didn't register one also. I only heard yajna you were saying. Yajna means area of contribution. Why I am giving? Giving is for 2 things. What for? Great gratitude and contribute. So, yajna, what yajna is there? It is for gratitude and contribute. Okay. First, what was the first one? Deva yajna. Acha, tell me, Deva yajna is expressing gratitude to the God also. Yesterday also in the evening I said, if you remember, well, I have forgotten, never mind. So, if you remember, I had said, unless God wants, action cannot go ahead. We are taking a lot. Lord has given us in the form of sun. At least sun is there. If sun is not there, we will not be here. Well, whose sun? Not S-O-N. I am talking S-U-N. This sun is there. Air is required. Earth is required. I have not made the earth that I am walking. It is not my earth. It is not that I have made air all around. I have made the sun. I am using somebody else's thing. And when you use something else's thing, you say thank you. If somebody lends your pen, you say thank you so much. And some take without asking also. Anyway, then other whose pen is taken, he sees like that. And he did like that. Or you have to say, can I borrow please? Can I borrow your pen? Yes, borrow. Anytime you give pen, give without cap. Because then he will return. If you give with cap, he considers his own. So, so first thing is called Deva Yajna, Lord has given. Acha, you read Ramayana. Ram, that story, Bhagwan Ram's story, I have not made it. So many things are there which God has given us. You have any thanksgiving? Vote of thank is given after every program. After every program. And somebody is always forgotten in that vote of thank. This is another problem. So we'll thank the person who gave the hall. Mr. Ram Prasad Harilal, he gave the hall. Then we thank the person who gave the marquee, Chunnulal. Then we thank the person who gave the mic. Then we thank the one who sponsored the food. When we thank the one who gave, the vehicle, we thank everybody. This person we thank. We thank the one who made this food. We thank this person. We thank the peon also who was outside. Everybody we thank. And we thank all of you. Why you thank? Because it is your nature. So, first Deva Yajna is there should be thank-giving ceremony. How frequently? After every yajna. No, Deva Yajna. Every day we are taking from God. Therefore, every day there should be thanksgiving ceremony. And that thanksgiving ceremony is called puja. Oh, like that? Yeah. Oh God, you gave me this good day. Yesterday was a good day, nice day. It was a good day. Thank you, very good. I'm so happy, God, you gave me ta-da-ta-ta, la-la-la. I came there and I didn't know, I closed my eyes, bus was taking and I came here. Thank God, bus driver didn't close his eyes. Otherwise, my eyes would have been closed forever. So Deva Yajna is that thanksgiving. And second thing is that I want to contribute also. I want to give you also. Somebody calls you for dinner 2-3 times, then husband, wife go and talk in the house. I think, that Sharmaji is calling us every time. We should also call him once in a dinner. Although we are conjuice, but at least we will call sometimes. They have called us and served dinner. So, although they put 3 vegetables, but we will have 1 vegetable and 2 salads. What is 2 salad? No, one will be, we will not mix the carrot and what is it called, broccoli. We'll keep it separately, so it will appear as 2 dishes. So it will appear, when many dishes are there, it appears many dishes are there. If you mix, you will see only one is there. So we'll put 2 like this. Acha. And we'll put salt also. Salt another will be there. Then we'll put 1 achar also. Achar also will be there. Acha? Some mirchi, hari mirchi will be there. That, green chilies, that also will get. So a lot of dishes he will feel very happy like that. But we'll call him because he has called. Then God, who has given us everything, every day, he gave you the body, gave you nice day, there should be thanksgiving for that God. And not only thanksgiving should be there, but also there should be, I want to give you also. Contribution, gratitude plus contribute. This is called yajna. This way, the fault of selfishness will go away. Okay? Say yes. Yes. Supposing you don't do any puja, don't offer any flower also, how will you? No, in mind, no, you have to feel like, well, in mind I will give you food. Aha. I am feeding you mentally. Arey, mentally, I want physical food. Mentally. Physically you give me food. Mentally I am praising you. No, mentally. Say physically. Mentally I love you. Physically say I love you. Mental won't work here. Mental thing should be expressed also. Mentally, why didn't you do marry mentally? Well, mentally we live together. No, physically you have to be together on the same house, then it will be called marriage. Acha? So there has to be Deva Yajna. Right? Say yes. Only yes by understanding. Acha? And this is most extensive and least expensive. Well, why? Why this is there? Because it hardly costs. You have to just give something. Some flower, patram, pushpam, phalam, toyam, you have to offer something to the Lord. It is a hard-hearted person that who doesn't express his love and gratitude. Many things are happening and you don't know what is going to happen. Good news, bad news, you don't know what will come. You just don't know. We are living in high level of unpredictable environment. Okay? So that has to be a regular sadhana. So God has a trust, and the name of the trust is called universe, and he is the trustee. So I am contributing to the God. This is called Deva Yajna. Why this is there? हम उनको सुख दें, आपको सुख में. You be happy, you be happy. When you offer flower, what is the thought behind that? You know, flower is not a flower. It is a vehicle to say that I love you. You know, when birthday is there, you give bouquets. Bouquets are there. Or you give, what is it called, some present. Present is not a present. Well, you give only one pen. It is not a pen. It is a vehicle to say I love you. I appreciate you. Supposing, you know, sometimes people give just one flower. Bole Swamiji, one flower. So in my hand one flower is there. The flower is not just a flower. Flower is the expression of that bhav that they had, that I love you. And also that I am available for you. I appreciate what you did for me. And not only appreciate, I will also do for you. This simple expression is very, very important. So that is called Deva Yajna. If regularly one does, one develops little selflessness. So purpose of Yajna is to remember our contributories and develop selflessness. Then you will understand that what we are doing, others are also responsible in my success. Ahankar says, I am successful all alone. We forget that many ingredients are there in the success which I have not put. Hello. Achha. Bale, what a good talk. Arey, what a good talk. Organizers are there. God is there. The person who gave this place, he is there. Those who have cooked food, they are there. Bus driver is there, bus is there, this is there, that person is there. How can you claim the success, sir? Jhoot bol rahe ho aap. You are a liar. Jhoot bole kaua kate. You are a liar if you are saying. And ahankar is based on I am important. Hello. I am important. And not that I am important. Because I think I am important. Therefore, you should complete. You should complete. Give me importance, somebody said. It's not that I'm important, I'm very quiet after that. No, 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 no. It's not over there. But how come you are important? Because I know better. I'm a good singer. I'm a good dancer. But my dear, your importance is not your. It is the one who has given you. He is important. If the kheer is good, so sugar is also important. Rice is also important. Milk is also important. You can't claim importance to myself. I am very important because I am very knowledgeable, because I am very good looking, because I am well built, because I can sing. Arey bhai, others are also. First importance giving ceremony to the God is called Devi Yajna. Importance giving ceremony to the God. Felicitation. Sometimes there is felicitation, not facilitation. Felicitation. We are going to felicitate. What importance is there? We are going to felicitate Sachin Tendulkar. Why? Because he has given good name to the country. Cricket, Indian cricket. Getting my point? Only yes. So don't think it is a small thing. When you give anything to the God, it goes to the whole universe. Because God is everywhere. Suppose if somebody feeds you to the mouth, you don't say feed to the mouth, you say feed him. You don't say please garland the neck of Swamiji. You say garland Swamiji. You don't say feed the mouth of. Please keep the phone off. When you give something, it goes to the whole body. When I give to the God, it goes to the whole Brahman. Therefore, Madhav Seva is Manav Sena. Serving God is serving everybody. Also. I hope it is clear. Please note, topic is moksha is important, then karma yoga, and topic is karma, and karma is off. And 5 things are there. This is called Deva Yajna. Okay, understood, Swamiji. I understood. It is importance giving ceremony. And also commitment. If you are there for me, I will also be for you. This is called commitment. When you were there for me when I needed, so I will also be for you. It is a selflessness increasing program. Will again say selflessness enhancing program. There is a program which enhances my selflessness. Otherwise, all programs are selfish increasing projects are there. Selfishness increasing project. Why? I sang very well. अच्छा हाँ, and I said मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा सुर की नदियाँ बह के सागर में मिले बादलों का. Somebody said what? Very good you sang. Wow. This is selfishness increasing project. Now I want to sing somewhere else. Why? Who is calling you? Today, that temple is calling me. Why? Because I'll get a stage there. And I'll go there like that. And I'll do my hair like this. I'll do like this. You don't know, unconsciously selfishness has increased. It is a very dangerous thing. Why? After that, I will demand more from everybody. So tomorrow we will see this. Thank you all very much.